As die Don bra, ek is in die koop, ja ek is in die hoed, hou my se saluut, hulle weet ek spin, ja, spin is vir my rims, ja, hoe die blaas die ding se turbo, of course gaan hulle my kyk nou.
Yo, it's D-Rock, D-Rock the GOAT, bruh.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention, there's no need to pull a pistol, pussy promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Yo, it's D-Rock, D-Rock the GOAT, bruh. Your favorite white boy reactor from the bind. I know you saw the title now. I know you saw Jada the Don is back on again. I'm busy doing a back-to-back with Jada the Don just to get updated with all his new tracks that he posted to me. And here is the other one. This is the one that caught my attention out of all his other latest tracks that dropped in this year. This is the one that caught my attention the most. Not just because of this fire-ass cover. Just look at this cover for a second. And no, a lot of you haters are going to say this is AI. This is focal AI, bro. This is focal AI. Just look at this picture, bro. This is proper flipping old school, gangster old school for some reason, bro. Don't know why, what it is about this photo, what it is about, like the style of this photo and the things in this photo, but this thing goes hard, ik say. It goes flipping hard. But y'all, we got Jada the Don Coupe. This is one that caught my attention because it's a Meek Mill beat. I can't remember which Meek Mill track it is, but this is a remix on that Meek Mill beat. But the way that he did this, so nicely executed, ik say. This way he put this thing together was so nice, bro, and so smooth. I fuck with how hard he went into this thing. He went in better than Meek Mill could even go in on this thing. And this is Meek Mill's beat, ik say. And Meek Mill went shit on this compared to this, man. No offense to Meek Mill. Like JD, don't come slide on me like you said in the other track. You're gonna slide and then die. I am prepared to get slitted on because I am prepared. I only got nunchucks and a panga. I'm gonna hit you with the panga. But hey,
oh brother, this guy stinks.
We got Jada the Don Coupe. Let's check out this one because I am excited for this one. I've been waiting for this one. I've been holding off on this one for a long time. Just so I can do reaction now with you. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Here it comes.
As die Don bra,
Oh yeah, it's a Don. Jada the Don. Yeah.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Oh brother, this guy stinks.
Yeah. Now I'm not a cop.
as die Don bra, ek is in die koop, ja ek is in die hoed, hou my se saluut, hulle weet ek spin, ja, spin is vir my rims, ja.
Don't tell me this is your car, bro. Don't tell me this is your coupe that you pulling in. Sis. Nah, I'ma come rob this man, bro. When I come there to you tonight, bro, I'm coming to you and I'ma come rob you for that car, bro. Just know if your car is gone, it was me. Sis.
As die Don bra, ek is in die koop, ja ek is in die hoed, hou my se saluut, hulle weet ek spin, ja, spin is vir my rims, ja, hoe die blaas die ding se turbo, of course gaan hulle my kyk nou, ek draai net low-key lay-low, wat soos ek ken my GoPro, little baby beat ek jou nou.
Sis, ek draai net Tokyo, jy weet nou. Because you know Tokyo is known for like their cars and known for their racing and all of that. And the way he's going in here is he's speaking about his car, he's speaking about his coupe, that his coupe is gonna spin like his rims and all of that. He's mentioning his car here, bro. He's talking about his car when he mentions this Tokyo thing. Sis.
Unshakable flow wat ek hou, invincible, jy weet bro, as ek so aangaan, dan koop ek my oor 2 jaar Lambo, ek van my ghetto, ek sal van tempel, ek pop soos Astro, sing my
Damn!
my broers, die broers wat eens op my gedraai het, but I is alright, cause ek stay lucky by my.
Now you make me a list for Astros, my bro. Now I want Astros. I don't eat sweets, ne? Even though I'm a weed smoker and stuff, I only eat the chocolate here and there. when I smoke weed. When I smoke weed, I'm not really one for like sweet shit and stuff. But now you're making me list for Astros, my bro. And I just woke up, Naganya. You can't do this to me so early in the morning, I say.
Self-excited. It's
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
van een braas dat ik geleerd heb, niemand kan jou naaien nie. En kijk net achter jouself en maak zeker.
What did you say? What did that meme say? What did you say?
What did you say?
Bro, what you talking about, Naya? You learned by the Owens and no one can you nigh. Then no one can nigh you. You don't have to learn it by someone, bro, just to know that you mustn't get nighed. As a man, as a Christian man, you must know that no man should nigh you. No man should nigh you. Even in prison, my bro, you must fight to the death or something, bro. You think I'm gonna let another man nigh me? You sucks in the head, bro. If you had to come and want to try something on me, bro, yo, bro, Yo, bro, I'm gonna give you Johnny and Bravo, my bro. If you ever watch the cartoon Johnny and Bravo, I'm gonna let you meet him in person, my bro. Sucks. Heart sucks. It's you. Imagine it.
Is een viper, begon ook zinnig, gezinnig en dan die ook een lightie. En wie gaan niks op hij light is, zijn voeten zitten dus blind, brie.
One day is one day I'm gonna make you also a lighty. Because you know, it's a lighty day. It's a lighty day. Now he's gonna make you a lighty one day. For trying to make him a lighty. Trying to play him and all of that.
Elke dag is een hassel en ons moet aan de grind. Ons moet die beat gaan schrijven, want niemand gaat het voor ons krijgen.
Damn!
That's why I'm moving every day, ik wil pay. En ik is... En niemand kan er overstaan, nie. Ons zit hier voor die kan gevraagd. Met je fucking top is nooit daar, was hij...
Damn!
But easy bun, no zit...
Nee. Nee. Sus. Nah, this is a certified banger, bro. I like the way that you came into that second verse, my bro. Yo, the way that you came into the second verse was so hard, bro. Beyond the word hard, my bro. If you had to look in the dictionary, né, and then you had to go like look up the word hard, the word bars, like the hard ass bars, you're gonna see Jada the Don in that list, bro. You're gonna see Jada the Don there, because this is phenomenally hard. Holy shit, my bro. Yo, I'm not prepared to listen to you this morning, bro. I wasn't prepared, bro, to come listen to you this morning.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Niks op hij light is, zijn voeten zitten dus blind, brie. Elke dag is een hassel en ons moet aan de grind. Ons moet die beat gaan krijgen, want niemand gaat het voor ons krijgen. That's why I'm moving every day, ik wil pay. En ik sta nu aan de op die Scarlet. Ja, en niemand kan er overstaan, nie. Ons zit hier voor die kan gevraagd. Met je fucking top is nooit daar, was hij but.
No one asked for the struggle. No one asked for having to work hard and all of that. No one asked for this shit. We didn't ask for the struggle. We didn't ask to live in poverty and all of that. It was just there. It was just, you know. No comment.
Op die Scarlet. Ja,
Jerk.
niemand kan er overstaan,
Wait.
nie. Ons zit hier voor die kan gevraagd. Met je fucking top is nooit daar, was hij but. Easy bun, no zit in toen tracks en niemand moet aan de vrouw was me kan. Slaaploze nachten hoor ik tak wat met om nog geen hebben niet nog.
When I needed people the most, nobody was there. Nobody was there. Because of all the drugs and all the shit that I was doing, my mother was always asking, are you there? Where are you? Damn, me, bro. Damn. A lot of people are gonna just listen to this beat, né? But they aren't gonna listen to the actual lyrics that are on this beat. And the pain and emotion that you actually putting on and spitting onto this beat. Because you're spitting some real shit. You're spitting stuff from the heart, bro. And I can hear that shit. I can hear the emotion you put into this track, ik say.
Zit hier voor die kan gevraagd. Met je fucking top is nooit daar, was hij but. Easy bun, no zit in toen tracks en niemand moet aan de vrouw was me kan. Slaaploze nachten hoor ik tak wat met om nog geen hebben niet nog snap bij op almal en alles. Almal dink aan nou en alles. En dis wat Nias doen. Dis wat hy
Facts,
is
facts,
Mix
facts. That is so facts, my bro. That is so facts. People are gonna say that you're mad. People are gonna say that you're mad when you try and do better for yourself, or you, whatever you're doing, that's not beneficial for them, my bro. They're gonna say you mad, my bro. That is so true.
lean met die spray, let me feel some. Ek voel of ek weet jy my staan, niggas say some. Ek is in die
Is it a hood,
homies se salute, hulle weet ek spin, ja. Spin is op my rims, ja. Hoe blaas die ding se turbo? Of course gaan hulle my kyk nou. Ek draai net low-key lay-low. Wat soos ek ken my GoPro. Oh baby, beat ek jou nou. Impeccable flow wat ek hou. Invincible, David bro. As ek so aangaan, dan koop ek my oor 2 jaar Lambo.
hey,
Ek so rond om hulle te pop soos Astros. My bitches best raak excited as ek praat oor violence. Ja, ek se jeans, I love it, cause ek hier by die sirens. Ek kill 'n klompie niggas en ek doen dit in silence. Silencer op publiek, jy laser doen kit en alles. Ek bring hier iets of wat is hier, cause ek sê real see. So many te vir die wat fake is en die lijn nie die.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Koes wat die doen sal gedoen word in jou deur ander brie. En as daar is my witness, ek het gewaarskie. Niemand rondom jou gee om oor jou soos hulle sê nie. Hou op hier sit ek en sien nie waarlik wat jy het brie. Mense met fucked up boyens wat nooit sal change nie. En vir my sal ek nooit anders laat bewys nie. Yeah,
facts.
ja,
Is in a hood,
homies se salute, hulle weet ek spin, ja. Spin is op my rims, ja. Hoe blaas die ding se turbo? Of course gaan hulle my kyk nou. Ek draai net low-key lay-low. Wat soos ek ken my GoPro. Oh baby, beat ek jou nou.
Yo! Like a camera GoPro. Just like a camera, he's gonna keep going, he's gonna keep moving. Just.
Invincible, David bro. As ek so aangaan, dan koop ek my oor 2 jaar Lambo. Is van die ghetto, ek so rond om hulle te pop soos Astros.
Yeah, that thing, bruh. Is this a Dodge Charger or old school Mustang? Sure, but yeah, the thing spins, man. Sure. Holy camoly. I'm so glad that my beanie is not off because this thing was way too hard, except. I'm surprised that my beanie didn't go flying off from the way how hard this is, except. But yeah, I must say, I can't lie to you, at all. This is no line. I'm not gonna turn into my Pinocchio now with the longest nose, even though I got a longest nose. But nah, JD, this thing was a banger, except. This is one of my favorite tracks that you dropped recently besides your bar for bar challenge. Even though that's not an official track, that is just a bar for bar challenge. But this track, bro, my favorite track you dropped this year. Hands down, my favorite track you dropped this year. Not just for the background and everything, but for the track alone, except for the shit you said onto the track. It really spoke to a person and it really painted a bigger picture of who you are and everything. I must say that the people that actually listen to music, like reactors, I know all the other fellow reactors out there, you guys listen to everything in the track. You listen to the bars, the flow, the delivery, the punchlines, the double entendres, alliteration if they have, blah blah blah. We listen in depth into the track, bro, like a fucking, what's these people, investigators, bro. We like investigate the track while we're listening to it. Check out what we hear and what is this part and what is this part mean and blah blah blah. That's how we operate. But yo, I must say that was a banger. I don't wanna rumble again and say, but that was a fucking banger, I say. Just. But yo, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was D-Dog, the GOAT reactions for the books reactions. You know how it goes here. We only react to bangers on the side. But yo, we're gonna get more bangers onto the books this year and coming up soon this week, Summer. Yeah, I'm gonna say this week, Summer. Even though the week is almost done, I'm gonna try and push some reactions out for you guys so you guys can enjoy. But yo, if you guys like this one, I'm gonna leave the link of this in my description below for each and everybody to check out and give it a like and give it a stream and give JD the Don a subscribe asseblief familia. Help me help you by helping me help him help you by helping me help you. Oh wait, if that ever
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
made sense, away. If that made sense, the interviews away. But I'm going to leave the official link of this in my description below, like a waste, and I'm going to leave a WhatsApp link of a WhatsApp group in my description below as well for each and every artist out there that wants me to react to their music and wants to just give a platform for the music and for the sound and everything, but don't have anyone that's willing to do reactions or back them up with promotions and shit. Here's your chance. I'm gonna do what I have to do to help you, help me. Oh yeah. But yeah, I'm going to leave a WhatsApp group where you can post every single link and music video that comes out on YouTube. You can leave it in there and I'll react to it as soon as possible and get to it as soon as possible. I'm going to react to each and every link that's posted into that group. So if you're in that group, keep posted because reactions are loaded. But yeah, that was one with D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT. I hope I see you in the next one. Don't miss it because I know you wouldn't want to miss this banger. But yeah, that was D-Dog.